everyone, welcome back to Relationship Detox Community. I'm Jake Platt, author of the MORPH Method, Pathway to Holistic Wellness, and a certified professional life coach specializing in narcissistic abuse recovery. Today, we're tackling a powerful topic. Why do narcissists despise empathy? And what does it mean for you? If you've ever felt like your kindness and compassion were used against you in a toxic relationship, or wondered why narcissists seem to react so aggressively to empathy, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll understand why empathy is a trigger for narcissists, how they view it as a threat, and how you can protect your emotional well-being. Let's get started. So, here's the first thing you need to know. Narcissists don't value empathy. In fact, they often resent and reject it. But why? Let's start with a basic truth about narcissism. Narcissists lack the ability to feel empathy as most people do. They don't experience the emotional connection that comes from understanding someone else's perspective. To them, empathy is either incomprehensible or a sign of weakness. And here's the kicker. When you show empathy, narcissists often see it as an opportunity to manipulate you, or worse, they see it as a direct challenge to their grandiosity. To understand this, we need to look at two key factors: their lack of emotional depth and their fear of vulnerability. Let's break it down further. 1. Empathy exposes their weakness. When you show compassion, you highlight their emotional limitations, like it's holding up a mirror to their inability to connect, which triggers shame, a feeling narcissists often avoid at all costs. 2. Empathy challenges their power. To a narcissist, emotions like kindness and care are irrelevant. They operate in a world of dominance and control, where vulnerability is a liability. Your empathy, however well-intentioned, threatens that illusion of superiority. 3. Empathy encourages accountability. Empathy often involves helping others grow or change. To a narcissist, this feels like criticism. They interpret advice or support as an insult, as it implies they need improvement, and narcissists cannot tolerate being seen as anything less than perfect. Do narcissists target empathetic people? You might have heard that narcissists specifically target highly empathetic individuals online. But according to Dr. Sam Vaknin, while it's true that some narcissists manipulate empathetic traits to serve their needs, it's not always their first choice. Many narcissists actually find it easier to align with individuals who have traits similar to their own, people who thrive on emotional intensity, chaos, or control. This is why narcissists often form relationships with people who exhibit borderline or psychopathic traits. These dynamics can be explosive and mutually destructive, but they often feed the narcissist's need for drama and validation in ways an empathetic partner may resist. That said, many empathetic individuals can still find themselves entangled with narcissists, especially if they have a history of putting other needs before their own or grew up in environments where their boundaries weren't respected. The key here is not about being a specific type, but rather understanding how your traits interact with a narcissist's behavior. So, what's the best way to deal with a narcissist? It's simple. Don't. The most effective strategy is to avoid having a relationship of any sort with a narcissist whenever possible. But what if you can't avoid them, like in work or family situations? In those cases, rule number 1, gray rock method. Become an uninteresting as possible person. Don't engage in emotional conversations or give them any fuel for manipulation. 2, build strong internal boundaries. Don't announce your boundaries to them. Narcissists will exploit any boundary they're aware of, so focus on silently protecting your emotional and mental space. 3, work on your mindset and health. A strong mind and body are your best defenses. When you prioritize your well-being, you'll find it easier to stand firm against their tactics and heal from their impact. Remember, trust in yourself will help you heal and stay strong. It's crucial to focus on your personal growth and resilience during this time. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure of how to navigate this process, I have free resources and coaching programs available. Doing this alone can be the most challenging part of recovery, but you don't have to go through it by yourself. Seeking support can make all the difference in your healing journey and make you feel strong. Thank you for joining me today as we explored why narcissists hate empathy and how to guard against their manipulative tactics. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Your experiences matter, and sharing them can help others on their journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights, tools, and strategies to help you heal, grow, and reclaim your life. Until next time, stay strong, stay self-aware, and remember, your empathy is a gift, not a weakness. You have the power to create relationships where it's valued and respected. You've got this.